Just update. If you're having problems updating Procreate to the latest version, this video will solve it for you. What's up guys, Lucas here. I'm a concept artist and illustrator working for video games, and this channel is all about art and creative life, so if that's something that you like, consider subscribing. So there are two possible ways or two possible reasons why this is happening with your Procreate. But before we go through it, let's make sure that your Procreate is actually not up to date. To do so, you just have to go to the upper left corner of your iPad there in the logo of Procreate, tap, and you will see that right now my version is 4.3, and I know that the version that is out there of Procreate right now is the 5.1, so we are definitely not up to date. But the next thing that we have to do is actually make sure that we have the update available in our store, because there are some stores that don't have Procreate the latest version available. So let's go to the App Store and let's just check out in here. So we can see right here that we have different things going on that are just exclusive for version 5 onwards, like for example the animation, the new brush settings, the color selection, and other things. So we definitely have Procreate 5 available for us, but as you can see, we cannot download it. So let's solve this thing. The first possible problem is that you don't have enough disk space in your iPad. You can see right here that the latest update Procreate is around 300 megabytes. So to make sure that you have enough space in your iPad to install this update, just go to your settings, and down in the general tab, you will see the capacity of your iPad. You can see right here that I have like 200 something gigabytes free, so that is definitely not my problem. So if you're like me, then you are sure that installing the update because of the disk space is not an issue. So let's go to the second possibility, that is the one that is actually preventing me to not be able to install Procreate 5 in my iPad. So if we go back to the App Store, you will scroll all the way to the top and you will see that this version of Procreate uses or requires iOS 13.2 or later. You have to go back to the settings, and there you go, in the general you will see about, and there you will see the version of the iOS that you are using currently. And as you can see, I am not up to date, so that is the reason why I cannot install Procreate 5. And to solve this, of course, you know the solution. The only thing that you have to do is go all the way to the top and you will see that there is an update available for your iOS. So you will click on install this one, you will agree to all the terms, and there you go. This is going to take a couple of minutes, so let's cut and come back when it's installed. So now we're back and you should be okay, you should be up to date, but to make sure that everything is okay and you're in the right version of the iOS, you just have to go to settings, and again in the about tab you will see the version of your iPad, and you can see that I'm in the 13.3 version, so we should be ready to go. The next thing that you would like to do is go to the App Store, search for Procreate, and finally you will be able to see that the button of update is available for you. So let's just tap in that one, and this will take a couple of seconds, so let's just fast forward to it. Alright, so the update is installed, so let's just click on the open tab to make sure that it is. And there you go, you have Procreate version 5 installed. If you want to make sure, just tap in the logo and you will see version 5. So there you go guys. Hey, just before you go, if you want to learn more about Procreate, check out this playlist right here where I go through everything you need to know on how to become a master in Procreate. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Leave me a like if it was useful, and of course, subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.